Welcome back. Today we will see how we can use Clipchamp for editing video and various types of recording. Clipchamp is a free editing and recording software provided by Microsoft, which is available for your computer. It also has a web version. Clipchamp is an excellent tool for creating high quality video content for YouTube, social media and more. Clipchamp app is available for free with Windows 11. If you are on Windows 10 and have not been provided with the Clipchamp, you can download it for free from Microsoft Store. The web version is available through clipchamp.com, or you can go straight to the app at app.clipchamp.com. For accessing Clipchamp, you must log in using your Microsoft account. If you are on Windows PC, you will have a Microsoft account. I am using the login ID and password I am having for Microsoft email, that's Outlook Express. Clipchamp has a premium version also. You can see what's available for free and what is available for premium. In the free version, unlimited watermark free exports. It's the same with the premium version, up to 1080 pixel export resolution. Same is the case with the premium. Free audio, image and video stock with the free. But with the premium, you have a large number of premium audio, image and video stock available. Again, filters and effects. Free version has limited options, whereas premium version much more options regarding filters and effects. It also provides brand kit for managing logos and colors, and enhanced content help also is available with the premium version. Monthly payment for the premium version is $899. But for our normal use, a free version is adequate. On your PC, you can search for Clipchamp. Clipchamp video editor is available. Opt for that. And for the web version, you can go directly to app.clipchamp.com. You will be taken to the dashboard that you see on the screen. On the opening screen, you can see there are two main options: create a new video or record something. Let us choose create a new video. You will be taken to the Clipchamp video editor dashboard. You can see various options here: your media, record and create, and click on the arrow. A brand kit, one more item is there, like that. On the right side of the panel, you have captions, audio, filter. You can have a look at this menu here. In the top middle portion, you have a video viewer. To create a video, we require media files, that's images, video and audio. You can import media from your computer. You can browse the files from your computer and choose the required files from it. You can import from your mobile phone. You can also import from your OneDrive or Google Drive or Google Photos or from Dropbox. Or you can use the stock videos or stock images. You can use the Clipchamp templates. Selecting the assets, you must see that you are not choosing any premium assets like this, where it shows it's a premium asset. It's prompting us to upgrade. If you try to use it, there will be a watermark appearing when the video is created. We can avoid that. We'll try to go by the free stock. So that is also one option. A music library is also available. Here also you can choose the free items so that you won't have to pay for it. I'll show a sample video creation to demonstrate the use of various items in the menu available to us. For this, I will use media from my PC and couple of free stock assets available with the Clipchamp. Let me import couple of files. I'll choose 2 clips from my PC. Now I have to move the media to the timeline. I can drag and drop it in the timeline here like this, or I can click on the plus sign so that it will be taken to the timeline. You can see this is one track. While clicking, it has come to the second track. I can put it in the same track. Duplication was there. I just deleted that file. Now to synchronize it, I have dragged it closer to the first clip. Now you can see we matched the media. Messages come. The video in portrait format, so it is automatically chosen it. You have various options. You can see this is our widescreen option. It will tell you what is it suitable for. You can see the description, what for it is more suitable. Here you can see square, good for Instagram, the social media posts, vertical, good for Pinterest and Facebook. Suppose I want to resize it, that's also possible. I have chosen now the widescreen format. Now you can see I'll choose the clip. Here you can see fill. One option is there. I click on that. It fills the widescreen. But the problem is lesser content will be available. You can see there was an elephant in the truck, but the elephant is missing. What I can do is I can click on it, drag it, place it in the middle. But it was originally taken as a portrait dimension. So I'll go back to the portrait. You'll see this scrubber, this white line with a bulged top, that is called the scrubber, that will help me to identify the locations. So here again I will choose this one. Now here I can crop this video. I can make it a picture in picture. I can rotate it like this. I can flip it also. You can see the motorcycle is changing direction if I flip it. A vertical flip also is available like this. Then for playing the video, this is the play button. If you press this is a start button, it will take me to the start. The scrubber goes to the beginning. And if I choose the end button, the scrubber goes to the end of the video. And this is a 5-second back, 5-second forward. So there are 2 clips now. To synchronize, maybe I let it drag it a little. Suppose I want to place this one first, I can just drag it. It will come to the starting of the timeline. Now let's see what are the editing facilities available here. For example, suppose I don't want this voice in the screen. I'll place it here. This scissor icon indicates cutting of the video. I'll use it. Now this I want to remove. I will select that clip here and I can delete it. It's gone. I have zoomed it to fit the timeline. Now there is a gap. You can see while I hover my cursor over this area, I can click on this icon and delete the space there. So it has come together. Now both the clips have audio here. You can see the background noise is there. This audio icon indicates that there is a audio file. Or let's take the second clip. I'll select it, click on the audio icon. Now I can reduce its volume. Now I will add a free music to the timeline. Let me see. I have added by double clicking on the file. This is the audio file. This audio clip imported is longer. You can see it's much longer than the video clips. So what I will do is I will trim the audio clip. You click on the file, then hold on the handle and drag it. So this is fine. I'll select it. You can see the volume is there. If I want, I can adjust the volume. Now I don't want the music beats abrupt end at the end of the video. So I will use the fade here. To fade out, I can choose fade out in 1 second. So the music will fade out like that. Now you can see here, this is an untitled video. I will give it a name so that the file could be easily identified when you save it. Say love elephants. That is the file name I am giving. Now let's see how we can add text to the clip. On the left panel, you select the text. Different effects are available. This is a typewriter, groovy, circular, fireworks, smoke. You can choose from this one. Suppose I select typewriter. You can see a text is added in the next track. The text written there is typewriter. Now we have to edit this. So I will choose this and go to the text here on the right side. This text I will edit. I make it love elephants. I have the option to change the font. I'll not make much changes. You can do it as you please. Now it is placed here. Let me see how this plays out here in the video viewer. Now to make it come in one screen, I have to reduce its size. Using the handle here, I can make it to the right size. Then I can as well move it up. Now it has white color. Suppose I want to change color, text color, I'll make it blue or rather red. Okay. Now this will be more visible if I place it here in the open space. I'll bring it down so you can see. Now I can preview it in a full screen also. Here you have that option. Play it. Now have a look at the menu option at the right side of the screen. Fade we have seen. Now you have filters. First we have to choose the clip on which you want to use filter. Suppose we choose this clip. Choose filter. Now you can see these are all premium options. This is not premium. This is a color video, but using this you can make it black and white. You can choose the golden hour. I'll choose this one. Now the tone has changed. Adjust the intensity here. So that's how you add filter. Now another option is, you can see speed here. Now I have selected this clip. I select the speed. Suppose I increase the speed, things will move faster. you will feel people are running when they are walking, and the clip also gets shortened like this. I will restore it. I just wanted to show you that there is an option like that. Sometimes it will be useful to you. When you have more than one clip in the timeline like this, to make the changeover smoother, you can use transitions. For example, there's an abrupt changeover, but you can select a transition. There are many options, but these are all premium versions. Suppose we take the crossfade for transition. You can adjust the transition duration also here. Suppose I put a duration like this. You can see a crossfade making the transition smoother. You can do a final preview of the video, and if you are satisfied, you can now move to exporting this video. Click on export. Choose the 1080 pixel option. Now the video is getting exported. Here you can opt to show it in the folder, then save it to the desired folder. Or you can straight away select save to your computer. It has got saved to your computer. This is a video here. When the Clipchamp was introduced in Microsoft, it had many hiccups, but it has stabilized and today is one of the best free video editing software. We will deal with the recording part and additional functionalities of the software in separate videos. Otherwise, this video will be too lengthy. So that's it. We hope you would find it useful and that inspires you to create amazing videos for your social media, website or YouTube channel. If you like the video, please share it. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe now. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon with another video.